20 along itu tribal area akan se budang. What we need to understand is Article 244, entire Article 244. There are three. Entire Article 244 is dedicated to protection of tribal people. Article 244(1), protection of tribal people by constitution of tribal advisory body, in whose appendage is the fugitive. Whose appendage is the fugitive? Fugitive are not in the tribal law. Okay? 244(1). 244 within bracket 2. Appendage of this is 62. 62. The 62 are on below. See the law, other the day to see controversy to go to see. Captain Sama to protect. It is not possible for us to protect ourselves under the existing 62 provision. Putting that upon see, no longer women at 244, another 244 slam law, they name it 244A.
The Ladakh Maki, the Polo, the Samoka, the Magala, automatically some get 62 other markets.
Nampo. Look at it, you want to know.
Okay, that was an answer.
60 power. Power this will continue.
Okay,
but we will have more power to execute it. Yes, we will have our council of minister. So article we will have not had problem with article 260. Then we will have can I 62 can I have 244 problem? The central government is going to divide finance, the consolidated state, part of the state, between the autonomous state and the parent state. Therefore, we will have enough fund. Plus state program there, anywhere anywhere, wherever there is a reference to state, it will also build a reference to autonomous state. We will have a share of the GST.
280 amendment means it
we will have all the fund available as per what is available to other states. We will have power. Then we will have ministerial power. We will have ministerial power also. Although we may not have the police force, but we will have the ministerial power. Laso Potsi, Article 244A, asal kita urus apa, penisua kita kau temu apa, schedule itu mana kita prinsip semoga. We will be able to implement them better and more powerfully.
Thank you. Almost time mateng kan kita 1:30 lah ya. Kita may question hini kere si dala. So batai si pares de po lan se pa reply po ang ke tu first session ma lewain po.
Nili question ke sir Alvin Teron lagi hai apa?
Kapre panelist anda abdi dalam.
Ali alam ni si yang mau advisor lo si dalam ke alam ni konser di nongko po. Ini kan orang ni kita nanti yang betul clear lo sir. Siksi dua alam non nang ni itu ni ke clear tengan perlu dan ke clear lo. Tapi patumi di kalau mana ni kita mana nang di hala nang li bohalong ko nang li press meet ke pa halalong nang li si kaning jedo je 60 long leaf ko to mang hala kichi tum agent to lasing lasoban mane kosong ma lasoban nang li kaning jeda isi lalo hini question ma gela hello mane hala paragraph 27 laki tum high court pen dah high elo sir lapen CM laki high bang pulo laki governor nang sedon unde pulo stamili tum damlo governor lo kala so sema question se ni CM mandar julo si ala governor nang sedon unde pulo kata me governor ba ke agara file nang le na ande ese nang li advisor lo nang li CM along klase nang li kopi lo ke chini dun je la paragraph 27 ko ta atema ini tu baru kita pulau je dak ke political alam lo bang pin lo je bang nang influx pik lo ada di bang kado itu karbiang ngomong nasi jauh langsung pergi kanji apa ke ini tuh malah lo selam lagi pulau teh itu akisung dulu nang ibu pilot puji.
So any question from your side? The last question of the day.
Ula bang lagi tantang orang tu mungkin dah tanya lo governor how it works. You need to send here because I insist that the city council should send all the communications directly to the commissioner of the governor. The reason is that on 18 items, among the governor has the discretionary power under paragraph 20p on 18 items. So all these 18 items among the, which includes paragraph 2 subparagraph 7. All this includes in the governor discretionary power also included. Opposite the high file and get directly to the Lenaji. The problem is governor office also, they are also not very aware of what the how 62 works. Because 62 has different kinds of power and function across the Northeast. The 62 in Mizoram is different from in Tripura, and from Tripura different in Bodoland, and Bodoland different from us. Approximately, they are not sure which kind of 62 works here. I must say what they do is, without putting up to the governor, what they do is the secretary automatically transfer them to the SAD, asking them, please put up to the governor by SAD 5. That's what the incident of Pinglo. The governor doesn't know whether those bills have come to him or not. Automatically this has happened to duty. That's what problem about administrative problem. It is become very difficult to overcome this administrative problem. Because you do not have free access also. Kaya kasi ng access lang di, puta kali. Ahot pa nahul si damsi, iwan dali. Nilatlop ta, people si nonta na leledan mapusi, council pa naman si, niliphan na ponsi, governor ng naman. Same person. Ang hula dat si, Chiwa idamlo. Hada na sa ako, komisyon ng Cherjulo, lahat na lang yan, putang lo. Ang sila kung file, movement na ni court na sila si Pro, wala hay kay SCD lo mutay. So they have received. They have received. See that? SCD pen, lutay lo po, masih parsulo. Hala, nung amadan lo, sumrohan. Sumrohan na nilo, parsulo, no, nang ituhod, no, like, kayang nilo. Alam nito ko, so ito mamatay lo, nung kabang na he. Hala, kini secretary mo advice lo, pilo ne, amana nita legal remembrance sara lo lukon. Agar legal remembrance sara ko maka biwara lo. This is the problem.
For my knowledge and clarification, open dengan saukan yang kuda, एक governor function के direct उठाई लो. So by your version, I came to understand that even though it is sent to the governor, it has been again diverted.
Diverted to SCD.
So there is no point.
There is no point. Lahir of Suman. Lahir administrative are challenged. We still have to. We are still facing, and we will have to overcome this together.
And there is a constitutional debate also.
Yes. So, laso awareness bangke. Sisi tu awareness kita ajak kali. Mana ras bhor lo kana. How it should work? You require sisi tu awareness there.
Ya Delhi dah duduk lo kan, sambusi itu belum duduk lo kan.
Lasi lahir program ke. Mungkin akan lo kalau sisi tu atau bangke itu. Meli mata buji tha. Ketian sang masuk, ketian sang mata ni kiki sisi tu terjadi lo. Terus tiada nak boleh. Unia lo, itu mana kepenting, bala dan minister mana tanggung mesti. Kepenting kecicaku ke, saya langkah. Kalau masuk di dulu, nilai 9 years. Jadi saudara kita nonton, sisi dulu tak ada puning kita lah, puning unia lo lagi. Frustration boleh kita. Frustration lo, lasi. Article 244 yang ini migrate, cek bulan teh itu lahai inherent weakness muka. Sisi itu cuma right nanti hai. To implement our right, we have inherent weakness. How inherent weakness orang ini overcome tekte bulan teh itu sisi itu ada kompeni implement tekte. Lasi solution ini single. Article 244 implement dalam tribal area proper protection, proper implementation of the spirit of the 62 has to come.
No, I'm ready. Aduh, audience tu kita kajian ada ajuan no. Tapi aduh sih itu masa pen clear no aku kelar kami barat 20 BA karena lihat kami. Lalu lagi kajian ini itu betul lah. Alang itu pulau. Kasi 6 schedule awareness lagi not up to this level kanila governor house of the home nili dunda ka tam bhelo itu party ke badai si delegates tam no ada ka lasi
6 schedule pa tanga tumara chichi suru
Dola.
ada bola
Arju ke? Clearing some Peter. Kali Pino.
Nah, itu sudah belum buat.
Kali Pino mo. Nang libyen do ko ka?
Nali tungke Delhi tingkat antar yang mau. Nili tungke bunyi cipi cikat do ko bepen dom ko masih pun set government tu cikinan ko lonta. Hala cikinan mo hempre la cikinan mo. Hempre la masih wajib kowi 62 sing wajib. Mana nak kita sok tum an tu ke tum pangke 62 andar nanti kok siang pom kutang nolak. Hal itu mah inherent limitation ya. Lawang soang bong sinan di kok si alang tu mana yang hangalin nanti warung ber nanti proses kita itu yang kemat.
MOS tu ke work out lo ke?
Teron चाहो इसी अल्लाह मको चीना ला जे इतु अपन के MOU MOS के चिट डॉक्यूमेंट्स तमे इतु मन के ट्रांसफर सब्जेक्ट पैसा बिना कर इंटरेस्टेड सब्जेक्ट कौन से ना पूछा
अरे Sony do sini tu tak kacing kia tu hadi ni tu kiu ni rat tu tak nasa pun ni lo mati rat aja kau nasa pun ni lo aja kita kau nasa pun ni lo bala cukup ni sudah ni family do tongda ni lakai makai hala orang amede lo gitu pun ni lo lasi ni tu kacing wa root se makan lo ja artikel 244A kata lo ja pan ke hala artikel 244A power man ke unang ke wan mona po mo wancet itu dia pilotan hadar pasti mo pasti jikna po ano bang ke la MOU MOS ke chipto lo la sola BDC ni lo it is a strategy kan dia ke pada pere ye pada strategy kali pilotan ke you have nothing
Not final destination.
no you have nothing handa belo original sistem se duchok po jata belo
Like Meghalaya
non bang ke we are spending to have 2,500 crore
per year.
per year in the Myanmar. Of course, we have a long way to go. With our own, with our own size of population, Mizoram is spending 21,000 crore per year. So, for us to come to the level of Mizoram finances, it will take us 10 years. It will take us 10 years. It will 10 years of course, Mizoram can begin to grow.
By then they will move ahead.
Hala also level ke wajib apa? Nika thom ke baset ke kachi song of frustration abang ke la six schedule puver pulutan te frustration dulu lasi kachi song atum apa tu yo non bang ke ni ke itu la so level ada lopo la so bang pen free to love se ke ching pen camp to nei pro ke claim please we will be happy to support young generation people like you. You have to take over from us. We cannot continue. Kathar sir and myself cannot continue more because of our health constraint, age constraint, fatigue. Yes, working fatigue. We have been fatigued. Government have recognized that you are already fatigued. That's why they have given him also retirement. That's why retirement below. But luckily he is still continuing. maybe more stronger than me also. Right? Until now. When they get meeting में नहीं दूसरे से करूँगे. Last year constraint do. Young people will have to please come with understanding. Go more deeper into what we need, what we lack. That's why you have to understand what we lack. What is our weakness? Jadi pan no pilih nak criticize because itu weakness orang pakai mereka. Only 39 years we have been just hiding doesn't work anymore. After 39 years of struggle, now it is time for us to tell our people, these are our weakness. We have to overcome this. How to do? Let the young people now gather together. Don't be separated. Don't be sectionalized. You have to be united. Kalau parti di pemimpin sedang bangke, parti klaim bisa tak isi klaim. I will support you, all young people. Kita nak bangke. It is time for you people to take over. But don't take over by hating somebody. Don't take over by
giving other narrative.
yes. So you have to come as an alternative. You have to come as an alternative. Lasin ke kisong आपको किमो के नंग होके सेक्रेटरी में लो उवे किमी tu nang tunang chono klaim pakano kiso sabre rino nang punyi bangke kiso sabre rino klaim apa no isi spirit and claim no ke hanga ti hal spirit and claim no sacrifice whatever personal interest you have. We have sacrificed all our personal interest kita tahu kita tahu kita sekian ACS first class atau mereka cetan engineer cetan doktor cetan istilah betul betul nang inur bagai amunin pandang juga dah bercetan cetan aku mereka akan ada kalau ini benar betul cetan itu berada dalam ACS first class class 1 dorong singa sosong ke top 15 IAS long okay ACS long belum dulu kita sampai lagi we have done our part. Now is for you to do your part.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. Next session tu lagi. Next session tu lagi sudah lagi. Session tu. Nasi session 1 lagi. Session 1 lagi non masih itu panggil pakaian kondet tu jo. Nasi session 2 ke dengar di haji. Kami after lunch so that's that.